I'm Rina Nurfitria and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will give you a tutorial how to use Google Classroom. Before I start my tutorial, we must know what is Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a free blended learning platform developed by Google for School that aims to simply creating, distributing, and grading assignments. Google Classroom integrates Google Document, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Gmail, and Google Calendar into a cohesive platform to manage student and teacher communication. With Google Classroom, teacher can streamline how they manage classes, digitally organize, distribute, and collect assignment, course material, and student work, communicate with students about their classwork, and give students timely feedback on their assignment and assessment. Who can use Google Classroom? Anyone! Google Classroom is included as a free service for anyone with a personal Google account. In the most case, teacher and student can access Google Classroom using a Google account provided by their school. Now, let's look at how to use Google Classroom. The first step is go to classroom.google.com. For the information, Google Classroom is now available for Google for Education accounts as well as regular Gmail accounts. Anyone with a Google account can now use Google Classroom. And then, you can see in this page, you can see in this create class if you are a teacher and join a class if you are a student. I will give you short tutorial how to you create class for teacher. Click create class and then it's next to checkboard icon you use to access all of your apps. And then continue. And then if you're getting started for the first time, your screen will likely look like the one above. If you have some classes already, they will display on this home screen. You can add new classes with the plus button. Add information about your class. You must add a name for your class. This is how your student will identify your class when they open Google Classroom. In this case, I will give a science grade 3. And then the section. Use the section file to differentiate between different classes of the same type. Many teachers will use this file for the class period. This file is optional. And in the section, I will give a online class. And the subject, of course, I will use mathematics. And then the room is I will use 3A until E. And then create it. Okay, and if your class is ready, you can see this page. In the stream, you can see class code. In this case, you can use this code for your student to join your class. And then in the classwork, you can see create in here. And then you can create assignment. With assignment, question, also you can upload material and you can use topic. And in the people, you can see which student join your class, and then in the marks is you can see your student grades. So the first in here, I want to upload a material so student can access it before class and they can studying it before class. If you want to upload a material, you go to the classwork and then create and then material. Okay, add your title. In this case, I will give the title limit function. And then you can upload your material with Drive, or you can upload it with file. You can upload with link. You can upload your YouTube video. Also, you can add the Google document, slide, sheet, and other. So in this case, I will upload my file. In this, Okay, wait a minute, it's still process. Okay, you can look at my material in here, and then we can create for all students, of course, and then the topic, in this case I'm not at a topic, at any topic, and save it, also post. And here you can see your material in here. Okay, after upload material, I want to upload a quiz assignment. It is time guess with the upload material. We're going to classwork and create quiz assignment. And then the difference is, you can see for the assignment, you can see the point, deadline, and yeah, like that. The title is time limit function. And then I will upload my file, limit assignment. Okay, wait, still process. And yeah, student can view the file, of course, and then I'm not give a point, and let's create the deadline. I will give the deadline 2 days, and the time is yes. Okay, finish, and the topic is the instructional option is choose the right answer and assign. And here we can see our assignment for student. After this, I will give you a tutorial how to use Google Classroom for student. And this is how to use Google Classroom for teacher. We can see in the classwork, our material limit function, and then our quiz assignment limit function. And we can see at this Google Calendar. Why it is in there? Because in the quiz assignment, we have a deadline for it. And then how to use Google Classroom for student. The teacher just copy the class code and then share it to student, and student can join the class with the class code in here. The teacher can copy it and share it with WhatsApp or Gmail, or also in the Google Meet. How to use Google Classroom for student? Teacher must allow student to access classroom.google.com and then allow student to join class. Before it, teacher must have been shared the code of the classroom. And here, and allow student to enter the class code like this. And then you can see in this button and click join. And here, student can see this page, and student can access the material and also tag the quiz assignment like this. So student can see if their submission, and then also they have remembered in this for Google Calendar. And also student can see who is the classmate are joined in this class. And that's all the tutorial how to use Classroom for student. So how does teacher know that the student has entered the class or not? The teacher can go to this menu, people, and then the student. Teacher can monitoring which student cannot join the class. That's all my short video how to use Google Classroom for teacher and student. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you in the next video. See you guys!